All right, what's up guys? It's Will again, back with episode 3 of the Backyard Trails Restoration Series. And today we have a lot in for this video already. Also, we have Lucas here again, he's over there. And today we already started because I couldn't find my camera. We just already started working and we built this and turned the jump. Hold on, let me get a better view. We turned the jump into a double. So we made the landing a nice, like, kind of gradual grade, so it's not a very abrupt and not nearly as steep as the jump, and it's a little lower too, so it's not a very harsh landing and you could still go much farther if you would like. So we built it nice and close. So we did basically the same thing for that as we did with the jump. We placed some logs down and then put some dirt on top and filled it up, packed it up, and we'll probably pack it again later, but right now it's looking pretty good. So right now, I think what we're gonna do is, over here last summer, me and my friends, we built a little jump here. So then you land down there and then it gets you nice speed for the berm. And now that that's big, we want to keep that speed. So we're gonna rebuild this jump here. So that should take not very long because we're probably just gonna use like 1 or 2 logs to put here because we don't want it that big. And we'll just do the same exact method as we did for the jump and the double. And then after that, we will, over there, we're eventually, not this episode of the restoration series, but another one, we're gonna build a pump track along here. So we're gonna build a berm there so we can carry our speed better. So right now, I think we're just gonna get to the jump and I'll put in a time lapse of that.
Alright guys, Lucas here. As you can see, I've been raking up the trail here. Looks pretty good. I'm really happy with what I've done. And I'm almost done. And I'll give you guys back to Will.
Alright, so I just finished the lip. And it's looking, well, obviously it's a little small, but it's all you really need to get some nice air and gap the jump and get a smooth landing into the berm. So now me and Lucas are gonna get started on that berm over there. So I'll put in a time lapse of that. All right, guys, so we're gonna have to stop the berm building kind of short because it just started raining a little bit. So, I mean, we're almost done. It's looking okay. It's not very secure, but that's something we could always fix later on. But yeah, it just started raining, but we got some really good progress in today. So we got that berm almost done, we got this double done, and we also got that lip done. So to not be done with the berm isn't really upsetting me, considering the amount of great work we did today, and I wouldn't really be able to do as much of it without Lucas. So big shout out to him, and hopefully the next episode of the restoration series will be up soon. Thanks for watching. As always, also I'll link my new Instagram in the description as well, so you guys go follow that. I'll be updating what I'll be posting, and like I'll be putting pictures of what we've done back here on that, so go follow that. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.